In this video, we are going to learn about solving linear equation by elimination. In the previous video, we solved system of linear equation by substitution. What is the definition again of substitution? So we have, this is another method beside the lucky with trial and error or graphing the equation that can be used to solve system of equation is called the substitution. So this one is, you have to solve one equation for one of the variables, then substitute the value, the new form of equation, into the other equation for the solved variable. So the word there is sub, or you have to substitute. Okay. The other we have method is solving system of linear equation by elimination. The word eliminate, so you have to eliminate one variable, either x or y value. So what is the definition of elimination method? So it is another method that can be used to solve system of equation that is also called addition. We have to multiply both. We have equation by numbers that will allow you to combine the two equations and eliminate one of the variable. Okay, so we have to multiply first. We have to find the common. We have factors of x and y, or whatever the coefficient of x and y, so that we can eliminate the values of x and y. Let's have an example. Our first equation is equals to 6x minus 3y equal to negative 3. And then the other system is equals to 4x plus 5y equal to negative 9. So here, what variable are we going to eliminate? So let's try to eliminate y. Okay, so we have to find a factor of 3 and 5. So therefore, we will multiply this one by 5. We will multiply this one by 3. So we have now 5 times 6, so we get 30x. 5 times negative 3, we have negative 15y equals to negative 15. And then the other side, we have 3 times 4, we get 12x. 3 times 5, we get positive 15y equals to negative 27. After that, we have to combine both. We have equations. So therefore, we will have now 30x minus 15y equals to 15, negative 15. And then after that, 12x plus 15y equals to negative 27. From here, we can eliminate now the value of y. Okay, so therefore, positive 15 and negative 15 is 0. So we will have now 42x equals to negative 42. Our x now is equals to negative 1. So we have to use this equation to find we have our y. Okay, so therefore we will let x equals to negative 1. So 12 times negative 1 plus 15y equals to negative 27. So therefore we will have now 15y equals to negative 27 plus 12, which is y now is equals to negative, we have 15 divided by 15, y is equals to negative 1. Okay, so this is our point now, negative 1 and negative 1y. Okay, let's check the original equation. Let's see if negative 1 and negative 1x and negative 1y will give a definition to our equation. Okay, let's check our equation. Our x, let x equals to negative 1 and y is equals to negative 1. The equation that we have, 6x minus 3y equals to negative 3. And then the other one, we have 4x plus 5y equals to negative 9. Okay, so we'll let x negative 1. So 6 times negative 1 minus 3 times negative 1y equals to negative 3. So negative 6 plus 3 equals to negative 3. So here we have an equal value. So therefore this value of negative 1x and negative 1y is true. How about the other equation? Therefore we'll have 4 times negative 1 plus 5 times negative 1 equal to negative 9. Negative 4 plus negative 5 equals to negative 9. So therefore this one as well define a correct value of x and y. So therefore this one is true. So we can conclude now that negative 1x and negative 1y is a solution for that equation. Okay, another example. Let's say we have 2 over 3x plus 1 over 4y equals negative 3 over 2. Then the other equation, we have 1 over 2x minus 1 over 4y equals to negative 2. Okay, let's try to make it as a whole number first so that it's easier for us to solve or eliminate. We have variables of x and y. So what are the common? We have denominator. So let's say common multiple, which is 12, right? Common multiple all of 3, 4, 2. Okay, 4 and 2 as well here. So therefore it will give us now how much? 4, 3, 4 times 2, we get 8x plus 3y equal to, we have negative 18. Yes. Then after that here, we will have 6x minus 3y equals to negative 24. Oh, here we can eliminate the value of y, because here positive 3y and negative 3y. Okay, so let's eliminate y. So 8x plus 3y equals to negative 18. We have 6x minus 3y equal to negative 24. Okay, so therefore we are going to eliminate now 3y. 14x equals to 42, negative 42, right? So x now is equals to negative 3. Got it? Okay. So we let x equal to negative 3 to solve for the equation. Let's use, we have equation number 1. So 8x, 8 times negative 3 plus 3y equals to negative 18. So negative 24 plus 3y equals to negative 18, which is 3y now equals to negative 18 plus 24. So our y now is equals to positive 2, right? Because this one is equals to 6 and then we divide by 3. So therefore our y. So the point of x and y is negative 3 and we have positive 2. Okay. Let's check if our answer is correct. Okay, so let's go to the original equation. We're checking. We have 2 over 3x plus 1 over 4y equal to negative 3 over 2. the values of x are, our x is equals to negative 3 and our y is equals to negative or positive 2. Okay, let's check. 2 over 3 times negative 3 plus 1 over 4y, which is our y is equals to positive 2, equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay? Then we will have cancel out that 1 times negative, so therefore we will have negative 2 plus, cancel out that 1 over 2 equals to negative 3 over 2, which is now here we will have 4 over 2 minus or plus negative 4 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which is equals to negative 3 over 2. So we have now 3 over 2 negative equals to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so this statement is true. Okay, the other one, we have 1 over 2x plus 1 over 4y equals to negative 2. Okay, so therefore we will have negative times negative 3 plus 1 over 4 times positive 2 equals to negative 2. So therefore we will have now negative 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 equals to negative 2, right? So here we will have as 3 over 2. So negative 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which is equals to negative 2. So therefore, we define now as negative 2 over 2 is not equal to positive 2. Wait. The original equation that we have, this one is negative, right? This one is negative. Okay, so it's good that we correct. Okay, so therefore this one is negative. So therefore this one is negative. Okay, that's the reason why we have to double check. Okay, so this one is negative as well. So therefore we have now the equation will give us negative 4 over 2 is equals to negative 2. This means this one is true. Okay, so because the original equation that we have is negative 1/2 x minus we have 1 over 4 y. The positive is over here. Okay, so that's all. So to summarize the elimination, we have method. The method of elimination. Okay, so we have to rewrite first each equation in a standard form, eliminating fraction coefficients. Okay, so if it is fraction, if it is whole number, we can find first the common multiple, okay, or common denominator, so that it will make as a whole number. If it is necessary to multiply one or both equation by a number so that the coefficient of the chosen variable are opposites. Okay, so you can multiply both, or you can multiply as well one equation so that you can solve for, or you can eliminate the x and y values. And then after that you have to add the equation, and then we have to find the value of one variable by solving equation from step 3. Okay, so from this step you are going to eliminate one variable, and then after that find the value of the second variable by substituting the value found in step 4 into either we have original equation. Then after that you have to check the proposed solution if the original equations. Okay, so therefore you have to double check every time when you're going to solve the equation. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much and have a nice day.